How to watch YouTube without ads on Samsung. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your YouTube application. The process is basically same for any kind of Android phone or even iOS. After that, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Scroll down and then go to Get YouTube Premium. Now this is the only way from where you will be able to watch YouTube without any ads. So first, all you have to do is pay for the membership. Pick a membership plan, whether it is an individual, family or student as per your preference, and then you will get a 1 month free trial. After that, simply enter your card details and payment method, and then you will be able to watch YouTube without ads. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.